endless possibilities.
Church good morning. You the Yankopon ase. Say enenso eye da ode acheye na menu you da so ti ase ne wonkwem. Ye wan hoden kwa ade. You de aseda ebema otumfo Yankopon. Say aye ne pe ne nadom ama ade pepe bi acheye. Say ye koda ne answer a anka ye ntimi bi say obi a ye ni obi a ni questions and answers. Say die enti ene ye da ya answer. Name say na sade e china say divine selection no e bi eso ye so nko ade a ese se ye na e fata so say ye de aseda e be ma otumfo Nyankopon wade kese a waye we ho mame mo bibia akwaba emba Coastal TV efia ha ye ne wa your own face your own voice ye da so te ne eti me sure say e bo no nso no na wo de we fidie no eti Coastal TV na wo sure say na wo mo bodwom Adon one man you hapa na make sure say there are lots of content you dey to TV so say enyum talk and also say obana say asa no bi sample na ni nyina e kan content no ndi ye sha ase sa na ye hye na say ye hye da e bo nyum a homka wom nyum a e kenya osunsun tele be ya wo so sample Odi aweho ne so ya na wo so da e boni bi anadwo no ama wo mu da ye down wa utie sa anum na akenya okakra na odi akwakoye wedwuma ana so odi atoa woda no eso sa na ye no ofia say ye sha say bombarded with a lot of things but ye sha say gradually with music na fe ne wo bia nso no ye de atoa so ama wa mi san so ma akwa ba bi ma Coastal TV there is our channel near 514 say o share with Facebook and say YouTube so Facebook no Coastal TV Cape Coast ho na Facebook na say YouTube so I no Coastal TV in fact Cape Coast so just type Coastal TV na sabe kan YouTube na me san so say Facebook na share ya no type Coastal TV na Coastal any TV no ma space ma kwan bi andam ntifimfi ma embom na fe fa Cape Coast ne so nsa na obehu ye Facebook na yenyina yentina ha asomdwemu na o men kancho so say won saka link na ebusia share the link che na nso afofo gina so na obia ebia wa busy nti ohun say Coastal TV ya sha ase no obenya notification no na obekwa akohwe no ohun say ya sha dwumadi na say Coastal TV fia say me sha ase no ma many kan fa aseda ai mo hwam ye dika no me de amanyankopon no ma me fa na eto aso nso ma ya boafo ma so ya sen omunni ho a ye ni ho omunni ho a ye ni ho omumu akakra obode boaye no ene na Coastal TV ense enya ahoden ne ye betena ha se ya no kasa fine na ye ni mfaso ye nya wo mo so ene sense na yenso ye ka che o se ope the same mfaso de a ene na ene omu eni juma embom na ebe si ye so e de amount ye di kan ye mfaso da National Petroleum Authority omo say yen kancho say emfaso dia odenya wo mo so ne de bebre omo ma o gas ama odi anu ojuane ma na fast and convenient no na omo san so bo kokko abo ho ban afi atorenchem ho ene say ye na se petrol tanker bi enya accident na say simple tanker na pai na fi ono enwunu bu a emben ho menko ho isan say atorenchem de etmisi na asem kese so ba franka ensi so say nya ju woma ne ebe si ehwe no enya asem papa ye be pese ye beti wo Ghana ha sei nti no mo so aya mo hyeda empire kwa na ma ben ho na ma kwasa makobone toku ato tanka nim na mo so fi wo no mon hwe na mon twe mo mfiri sa ade no ho content creators ne bloggers no so enye ho na akwa create content petrol tanker nyane accident we enye content for bi na create and go chucha pictures ne videos enkoye ma ho nkoka edwam ha yin na yen hye ne so sa na yen fa aseda ne bi so a edi ho no emma the sell gift shop say owo Interbasin Junction ho na gifts no de enye gift bia ne gift o gifts and gifts gifts ni gifts out there show be a match as aka na koma nkasa the lifetime na obekai na sa gifts no so wonya ne baby a say the sell gift shop ko ho na wonsa ebeka achede bia a wo hwehwe bia no emfa ho say nipa no so your ba so your bema akola penny akokra ne hia ne sa wako the sell gift shop wonsa ebeka ne wo hwehwe no na yensa so fa aseda ne bi mu so emma amimens hardware and finishes. Men's hardware and finishes see and control saying we should show much you can opposite Cape FM. A whole and I'll be men's hardware and finishes. Now so we should share paints a hood be so electrical gadgets and home appliances, whatever type I should share branding in no or call men's hardware and finishes are on sa at the can. Now yes so far as the then be more do also Emma detailed kitchen services. Detailed kitchen services say journey the journey be an journey. Journey in the radio more Muden na unkofa ya rebia echire yamfa mbrem o say owo Abra market Kofi Apple cluster of stores e ho na obehu the taste kitchen services aduane de ne ohwehwe bia all types different colors different sizes ni na won sabe kan e wo the taste kitchen services sanso and a Nesto Ventures as I see and control say owo Abra opposite Methodist church no ho na omudi omujuma ho da say ohwehwe machi kwan a benya wo mo na also say and control say home appliances there eye ne wata ma na che na nya ne oto ya 2 days na say there be na emom no say open home appliances papa to the CC ofie ba ofie ya nikanika kona eye Nesto Ventures he's got you covered ne ohwehwe bia no bewura ho na onsa ebeka anopay abofo na yede aseda no eko ama wo mo no ma so ya same from Tuesday Monday to Sunday. So I'm say Sunday to Sunday they've got us into no yemfa asidano emfa mawo mu midin e de AFIBA ESSIEN afi na wo do afide na to Coastal TV a digital channel 514 Facebook and YouTube ina no obehu ye live and colored anopay me boss ba ko na tifia say boss pasha ko aba
na wapo me ojoda
ojuma henewa
be ho afio
me da say na wonka bi da me kwa da ni
nonka bi da me de test woni ya na reading che bi alo me test that you look nina nka ko be ufo ni mo say I say MC am say na go na fi by get up there any confusion
Mrs. OMAR, what did you do to this man? I think something has changed. What Jimmy Waba compliment to me? Hey, Akaba.
Yeah,
it's a saying.
Radina Dumiti.
Then I may say.
Bibia, and the day, baby, but democracy does be hoy.
Okay.
As I'm ready, and I'm there in Pocorono, no right up no year because of Mother's Day.
Okay.
Na the ultra wine there. About being a besia na wauba wa hwena ma ben sisia wa ba that doctor
okay
no a doctor na chere or there ne first pay be no about the bashana ma mensa no so the first pay ni nti na ma menji and mudu the first pay na me ade odosusu nje read na me no I supposed to and akitikiti mpio mesu no won put tell you I just cannot go man in the first pay. No man, I'm going show or what better man or better school or the PTA meeting. The PTA meeting, one of them, PTA meeting, the PTA chairman. Really, never be Sunday there. Now, that's why. That's why you don't have time for me. Any time, I'm Bum school, I'm the PTA meeting. Because I'm a person who to tell you. And so I'm coming here to tell you, whilst you are reading, and I want to say read that, and the one. I don't know how you watch and no man make a channel easy na answer no be jinan nan zan bi hinasi ko the be hinara na papa no be nti mama on kada ma asem and odi bi ebi na kira hu ba san ya wurusu nti de bia me sam hu there that shows there it is bia don't allow your wife only to visit your daughter especially the female one. I want a passion, emotion, no, I found. It is a was a compete meeting, a being a compete meeting, a being a casrab for a boncomo, a palace name is car daddy, and now some person into my compa. I am a casacatcher, Mitsika, my money down from her. And I'm not within my graphic headline for this. I would say, about Mother's Day Sunday in the YouTube meeting. Never catch a man for army, especially maybe catch a man for the when you know. Mama in Mahim from and can myself from back. You are still the other son could be sent to go be feed there. It's only the mother, man, no could say in our autumn no ocean, never point come. The man may be German while call our bag to the car, watch the taxi now, while you're the money now, just go up. Oh, so myself with the baby. Now I walk like a toe or then to Obama and Jay. Oh, papa no msika na made ya oh papa no no wudi no graphic no da na headlight bo wudi na ba nti menfo e ma ma dina na fi yemi ahine ho na ma ba dembia akada koda no wudi ra ba graphic no
on say o man so we so e kan se me be hwe e hwe se enye se e hwe na wo hwe akwala no sika nkwa na wo de hwe akwala no say ya me hwe some of the videos yen modern fathers no mabana ebi mu bo mo modern pa what mean say nyema bi affairs na nka wo be expect say anka ne maame ene ne akwala ne nye no be hwe na be ma no na eye nyema first na nka be dey say be hu say be ma kra de akwala ahye lechi but say e common omo ye papa and it means improvement improvement but is akwa nkola mi work they are closer to their father more than on them mama cry close you all be so almost say who is your favorite parent make sure say papa akeba say most no get away school and then no course no chichem okay ata friend mama mum no na because of management me yimbe from mama kasa mama daddy ho adele in your papa ko ejumbe your papa wa aba mama dan kasa na kasa bokola dabi me da kasa oyem kasa wia o de baby a obo solo or hwene brother kakraba oyem kasa and I just ask myself do o sit down na oban le o na se mo aje me ba asa mo oyem ma me baka we wi oyem papa baka we wi ni papa no de bia ka wa ho na obi ele de bi de mi oyem ko ntaye papa 340 Ghana na me tell me why you 50 abasino tell me for to guide that no problem mama ma mezaba but no I no come different no ba me a cow different and meza na the better so up me I mean I do shazo na him so at the America is true obi baby na sere papa no in the but me be si abadi meeting ninsre everything de bia moko o mokona I'm a car cafe and beefy or never in the caca for car because all quite one me and Mirrison and Sana and Quantan Mammy. I said a taxi to Mazama. And people who did this be one in the family around us are no better why pay no. From one, from 3 now. They be all Mokona. It just close from Agre to Abranjawa. But they be I'm the taxi in the Mazaka. They be I'm the taxi in the Mutumazanoko. And people are complaining this is why I pay. There's nothing why I pay no. That alone, grandpa, when the 18 now, because it been walk no. Yes, I know. That's the case. No. And Mother's Day, Sunday, I must say, Coastal TV. We delivered on our promise. Yes, but especially 60 to 74 no. Ebedi Mother's Day. Ye kai na yan kana kwa anya no keke ne ye de kai. Ne mom ye action ye de action and so tie chi. What me say? Ya ye ankasa. Na ye Department of Gender, Children and Social Protection Central Region Hali. And you know more edins age one. It's Mama Gender ebe cancer. Director Madam Rich Love and Mamo ebe cancer of fear say na. You know edin come on. Let me tie. I was a little busy there, but as someone kind in making sure say me about 80% of it. E call me chimpa. And the people say assemble na would say again I would say come here come here the kwenu. Nti no I was so be answer no etie ni there. Me pese e betie nsema Mama Gender e kan ye no after that we are me no enkomo bia me pese e bedi ansa na ya to aso
very important
nti yentie ni mama agenda e kan no e ya na ya to aso
Mama agenda, good afternoon. Apo me. Yo, what's the calendar your Mother's Day? Answer na yobo bon komo a wakrata do no. Ye bi se there. Ana una kasa as mama ofini na akwaba Central Region Ghana. We are the funny na wuti aba asam na wakache you answer ya boyon komo.
Menka wa una kasa.
Awona nkote amawi ma achirasi.
Yo, ago na mi ada to kata.
Ko
Agba. O enya Mother's Day. Afia ba dadawo mankaka. Da na mi ba dadawo ko. Amaika ko buna avinchi. Amaika ko afi wo fondi e butama. Ni de vio duduga kai dogo ola. De vio masuku nyao. Amaika ko nyajila nyonyon ko buna ngonchi ko yenya dada na mi dada bloma manya ba maika shiviji yikwenya dada o kaka maika buo vinci maika nyonyon ika ko buo gbato vinci ko yenya dada ta agbanka ka mi kwe dadi ko jujo popo ko padam ko dada wo kata mon ko domda ji ko padam na mi. But happy Mother's Day. Na dada da shadow low.
akpena mi.
Why are they?
Yo me chechire ma mama jana awona okenya me chechire. Na mom answer chechire mi ya baba no phone. Mo bo code biara na abo. Abobwan na chechire mi he bogudo. Nti mo bo code na mama won ano na ebu na kasa ni na aba sharp na bibia. Nti mama jana we are me code na mama won. Mama Yansha and Wafuchi no Koma as a Moya Ghana fa and we are very what you know with you. I brand there are yet Mother's Day.
To say and Mother's Day.
Your message.
Before me Casano, me person will be who say me free the Department of Gender, Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. I see. Me paucha wufua mame fua ye wa ha obi entie ye ago
Amen.
Yeah program hello nurses a omo wa hai program intia na mo ba ye nti obi aboko mo ye future mothers and mothers nti boko Department of Gender no Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection asi and our Department of Gender I was Central Region hano only the implementing arm for the sector ministry Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. One of your core mandates and say you better make sure you better ensure. Hello, Costa TV man. Ya kasa wu say ade no mo. You better ensure the protection of all and the well-being of all. No, you better make sure it's protected in the Central Region. Say see ano me the head of the department or the whole Central Region. And the summiti hey, Obibia woti hey. Me was a mean say. Ma said yes, obi any war bet yet amofa honde so. And na mono bibia mobeyeno, I was a mean say bibia to super pepe. Ma boy mundin some bibia was a mean who said the right of everyone here no in the Central Region no, is protected. Me I said yeah the amami nti war region hantie entia na Coastal TV share ye no in the Mother's Day no woman who said that be woman to mean the Mother's Day woman collaborating with the Department of Gender Ghana nkasa ayi woman atu homa Central Region hasi woman share maye die ma eye die ho asem obi eye die especially women and girls omo ye die ho asem no woman collaborating with us entia na woman ni yen akabo mu sesia edi juma ba sponsorship bibia if you woman any omo partners Department of Gender there ya said any say ye be ba ha na ye be boama dwumedie no akoyie entia na nne ye wa ha sesia
Yo mama gender wedding kan we ye yim ba chechire mi na nti
wo ho hwe bebi a wo moti baby otiti nkola iwo senior school kra school fees wonye ntua ne nioma no no dream kola ne future ho wasi me bay future it senie me man su benya dani obi nie wada wonna yes celebrate sa mamefo no enne wo na yes celebrate loneliness ne die yentumi nka ho asem mame bi wo ho wa ware nso ono nko ana eti aware ne mo ye boni di wo sheka wa keke wono nko ana eti mo yes celebrate sa mamefo ne nne yes celebrate mame bia wono wa wo no wa hwe na makola na nyin su na kola no nyame afre no wo mo ani njida ebini mi mama meti hai Andra was 3 years as oni odo emanema etisa enti as mama gender me was central region hano me katra wofobia me ma omo amosi mamefo mo ayade nanso yade no yensa hwe se nkwala no esa ye japade sunku bi anyame de amaye was say ye ninku ye ma ho enti mo hwe amekasa no me see ye celebrating mamefo omani ku omo ma ho na nya mamefo a wo bakra wondi 18 years a na wo piano ko sha aware ase anya sa mamefo no na ye celebrating them hello enti mo ma ye nguso na ye nwi ye ma ho na ye mame because ye die won to me for obi antoto ye ye mame food ye unto obi any wa obetu ya de atoto ye me see ono ne the first person na wo be sorry ono ne the last person na wo be da obema wono ye bema kanti kan wa be ware no no sa mame no kura na be sa hwe wo bi ba bema no moti ase
Oma
Suzy Ntempera makira nti yaba
Ara ba sa onjere
awon no zin kan kai
Chim
Yo ahuna makira mma ho na ahuna wasa ni message
really Enzi asamne de bebe na mama gender okay
But I know how come in yard dama me ni twado na tie a because I want to have himself for you issue
o problem ye den
no problem I there we dey be akache se be yin ho abeyin yin ho the beyin ho is too much every lady no communication or kakaka abaka
okay
say no wo ebusuan mofom ho a kine bi ni ho a mofom bebre a kine bi ni ho a mofom bebre but what don't you also say there a kine so ni ho a
some track record
what kind of track record
done it no and na original so aka na asem yo mo track record subse nyema mo ye
mama kan cha msafu binum
okay
excuse my word Mr. Binum kahuma me figu ma boy na ho the short life otuma ba
okay
one things are going well and a pabaji iyibaji akwatatam wa yedam and cool at the moment that equation ba balance na lan the beyin sisi at the baji ore wa kofom enkihie bese bi oya badwuma ibana onka so chi ma ba na da penkotin ehun bayina efana sabi besi onye adwuma nukun no yen hamda ana atibida ayankoko ewa otifi nukun boko aba wa yezibane wa akwa wa bo mafuma akwa at the moment bayina onye adwuma pe ebana akasa start ofi na ma abreme na ma mucho lalbe na ma mucho whatever mucho for school fees me yezibane ma able muntum but that time I tell you na bayina bibia no I just no complain.
Me a track record. The thing is, say na work say 11 be e ma 11 be say be omutifie na omunye hwea na omukunum ebonyo so because obi wo ha be pese na yere nso be ye adwuma or ye adwuma na yere nso ye adwuma eja we combine resources na dey ahwefie na efie etumpo ne ade nze bi wo ha on pese na yere betina fi but obi wo nso a otimeka kire na yere ni say me na me ye be ma eni ntino me na wose me koye adwuma na me di sikaba nti wo wo ba tina fie hwefie na hwe nkwala no na hwe be ma no so ka ho na bibia nti fie adwuma de wo na wo ye nti se wo mo meje medwuma na maba betina fie na se last with Jumano I say and also say for some reason want to provide for yen send ye now ye na officer many beji.
Well in Jabati you know communication or above board.
Oh and now above board as well, but then when it's what happens in your job.
No.
Say a day and can be a 1 month be na sa support in the season maybe a subsequently maybe 3 months 6 months 1 year 2 years still now
you man say no you for no say the same thing the main question here I'm sorry you feel the same question you find to myself for
okay
that be seen you say 3 months 6 months 1 year important fear what the man complain on you bahamana because more akaskasa yena hama akaskasa na hodi bi odwo yena ho sabi awuna sabi wutum na nsa adat titimun ba na okachero wo shina titinti okono na fi wa yan asomdwe okono na che problem da ha ba na otumorba so why don't you give the man peace at least on to know
me be an complaining member be o mo complaining because of her career woman ntina o worry oba o ye ejuma. It is along the line as we do man say otimi complaining and you kasa na be kasa and na woti fie na woti story and dan ko an wada and na we kokko ye adwuma na say ebi mo be ka
not money well we have 10% of ebi no ye me fa na me sa for the 90%
still counts say 1% kra na still counts obi so a won ka because ono no oye adwuma na wo ye no even oba na adwuma kwa wo ye no first come me bo afie ono be ma na edwuma oba na edwuma but it's still the same thing as ono na providing say na we lose adwuma no enyi bi free emfa bi nso ma meka ho izo bi ha onka oyo okay but obi won so a e bia na wo de na odi ba no nso ne de na odi ba no na ye ka bom ye de ye bibi ofie say na eni ho no ebe ha no obeka but enyi obi anso na beka it's both ways oh enye o man kwa na omo pe kasa na maybe omo count both ways and I know na wo hu ni bebre intia and no na wo hu ni bebre in your experience wo no ni bebre intia but there are other side no so e koso baby a wo hu nim inti bia wo bedwe say na wo hu no that's all that it is but there are other aspects so e koso a wo nim
na be yin ga na other aspects nkoso
na make no both ways.
That's the woman's complaint to woman.
That's what you have seen so far.
What are you telling me?
That's what you have experienced so far. And it's a man no complaining too much.
Too much.
But there's nothing like complaining too much.
But they are talking.
Complain is complain. And one day cry night is complain. 10 years complain is still complain.
But when we are counting them,
it only becomes too much when they say I don't know who complaining about it's not valid. I don't know who complaining about and maybe gidi to say men can say on ta men can say on time fan kwala in school. Now what complain if you have a solution you bring it. That one you are complaining too much. If you have a solution you bring it. Fine, all for monko. Miss me you want me mama kwai some for monko de bia. Then let's get a car for them, a taxi or them we have a solution. But when you keep complaining without bringing a solution, that's when it is complaining too much.
But do you know that men always bring solution to solve problem more than women?
No.
How no?
I don't agree with you.
That is you.
There is a marriage where it is working solely because the woman is there.
That is you. Offer a normal and trying to get a girl. Zero okay. I'm so far.
This one is about me reading or not.
No. So I would you share the communication between married people, even relationship, any relationship from whether married, whether girlfriend, boyfriend. Relationship in a bumper man. But look at the trend. They be open family. But as a person to the bar, she will not inform a friend of papa or the next cabo. Let me give you a typical example. Went at Target, time from 1 by AJ Johanna. At the moment I met to the parent, and my contact in more than Kiza by 7. I am suffering. Oh, Pompo catch on the median. Oh, Pompo for shaman is some baby dead with an apemijamo cry. Mamma Bois. No papa all the bands, score the moon. Oh, sir. But get our friend and never promise him, no, sir. The man catch over power for Shiama. Open them up, friend. you are creating different perception wa afrobenitirim cham papa mo be school yi ana wa mama hwe wa mfa hwe amam na ma me na papa no wo fie obe wa baba ka ache no school nti in that lane still now acha papa no ya no kwa nti na me keche dey say beyin na le me be sika adire ma wo ba either is was mama ya friend direct and now so there adire ma no keche no then me papa no to mo zeba you should monitor. That's why the letter for no be paying abaka channel dabida ne papa one shen. At the moment papa or you mama nja wo no. She's the but always she will see. Because she will use himself from no what the mother. Papa one shen, papa one kasamu. But over there in myself what starts now what's the subem be bimu kokite. Because papa is out in the bar, catch another aba. Tell papa no from you are complaining. Why does it you should not you should inform about problem catch your papa no as another aba. But it's my friend why paying always on my other friend a no man kwesi onyi mo ya papa. But as some Rebecca because most start me dem campaign I check from my first station my second station ko me dama be buda and Mosha oye djuma so to me here always we are talking about all these things but still now as kasana tomorrow ko enti edum pepe so what me funa kase wuto because when first kind of mayor no dey be am by na a year na all provide because be just a few say 100% am kita go ya buy 1% or 10% na get o papa si me fam bro o papa wa charge na dambo o papa we go na me fam bro the likelihood of a can obo papa ni zina as our presenter is limited as I get it
Oma as ma woka na ewum ne ko
ma to abanenka
eno na woka
0508268846
let us also not forget the other aspect of it. In as much as ye wo ma omoye ne woka the same way woka no the same way so na ye wo ma omoye the opposite side of it. I have some in my house so I can testify. Ono po de no ne kunu na ti o omo ejai they never even got married in the first place but omo wo ma and anytime bia na papa no bekwa oni onkwala ne nti o papa ne onkwala ne nti in fact be fie o mpo hardly and but or discover bia so a yete me ye na ye nya ne banko no yete se papa ne discover yete se papa na kotua school fees akakotua we yete anytime you obeba ne ba ne be ride to this school cramp no yete say hey eno asa papa ba ha be fa akoyo sometimes ye joke na de ye kan ho asem ofio ye kra ye nya ne ma no yete so in as much as ye wo emma omoye saade no mo say ne papa ne discover pa but ombie na no kan da so papa ne discover ne bae ebi nkwa be ka say me ankasa na me de bae we have women so a omoye ade to the sense that say oni papa no asem kra na on person kola ne be get involved akola ne ka bibi se debi o papa no ekwan bia so your papa me na me ne nya enye wo na wo ne nya until whatever happens he is still your father you respect him just as you respect me ebinum instill that kind of discipline and it is very we cannot say that and so what say majority of women no and hear the negative side na me no nyaage
baby can fair baby see question na
so because a majority we have women who do that yes but it's not the majority at all
so are you telling me that in between the relationship between two people whether separation whether they are still there but when the ajibare papa na mama I am my family man or inform na
men ka say o inform na so inform no asema make any if say omo enka no omo ye no see asema make no na ugusa wo kan yo maka je say omo ka no enye so omo ye few
we few.
Let's say in your experience that's what you have you experienced all women in this world?
No, because of men that own the relationship
you own the relationship and your relationship people have
and the platform engage people and this is the situation.
I'm also coming from a different platform, a different relationship, a different experience, and I can also tell you from my experience that it's not like that. It is not like how you are describing it right now. Say man, I'm 100 and move back up.
Yeah, 10%.
What?
It's 10% out of 100. What say?
That's something they okay.
Look at let's see the Mother's Day celebration. Internally, Costa TV is point to me. You hear the gestures and pushes of Musafo to Mumbai. The zeal of them obey over to my age. Now you compare there, so urban there, Father's Day Abba. Now you could programs are who be. You could see. You could see number of poster. Dom I am a farmer to move post mother. And every baby soon the same Mother's Day, you know, some women or ladies they will never post their mother.
Okay.
Because if you are respecting now I'm just monitoring her. Then to be posting the mommy.
As in on their status, Anna.
Yes.
Okay.
But she didn't.
You own to me for no cause. Only send me my posting me mommy until like 3 p.m. Now me posting me mommy.
You did it.
Yes. Every all you know, organize the same thing I not join the baby. And how just say
she wrote verses and she posted it. Me who's in the
oh, so you needed to spell it that message.
I know her like I know you. Oh. If I knew your mother, I know you because I'm working with you.
No.
Whether you are here for 3 days, so stop one side in the meme down and no. But I know you.
Susie at Coastal TV. You don't know Susie at everywhere.
Me come home. No me come wash for dinner. You know. They never buduri. Uma me posting and that's a posting 3 o'clock. Where is about show and then whether she take care of you, whether biological mother, whatever. You could see it. But there will be no reason or tomorrow and I know so it's there. Okay. But I'm the baby in a one major hamwabo. Missy, Messafa, Obama and the open this cabay, Usa. But you to me, full of food, obi dead, Sika, as a moba, Wasu, Ibutum as well, Moba, my farmer, the second mother. Or the second mother or the mother. Because I wouldn't use a first person. The second person is a wife. But I don't know catch a J. I could square that tardy. You book in school. But to tell her that a upapasi, who book in this can be said, who are primary school for to book. So all these things, no, yet in purpose or whatever you know, starting if it turn a coin. Was a dear starting men who want to my energy. And if he yam boom, no young queen man. It will be there, the man as an opportunity. Was a BCR, sabi. Also, it's me than a pa. She doesn't care anything. I had done loosen the whole to phone I had pa. She doesn't care. Anyway, you saw on the same line, you know. So on Casson, I had the man, so on Casson. But Obudu baby, you know. Never say, Holly, I get a be simple, chatted them Fantanda. A be see a pilot to me at the magic. But then time see that baby in the pa. I bet I said, hey, Susan Walla pa. Mr. Walla pilot to me at the magic. But to get a besia pa, who to wear the magic because I was surprised to wear the magic. Likewise, my family. Ask me, my mother, my papa, and okay, baby, in a moon school. But the Biamata, McCain, there, tell more home, come my bonazi, if you be some mamado. I posted my mother because tell me, what I need from her is, you mean sure. Medasi, you mean sure. No, my mentam the Mediazi and neither me. I am in Medasi. All what I need is you mean sure. Because you should the Mazina of Waya Brabham, Papa. Oh, you mean sure. But be said by Yadi be able to catch it. Eh, be said, Pano to me, the Mazi. My mother will not allow you to throw food away. Not because the banning, yeah, I don't there's a banning. Ebe pepe obroda wo dey to meditate ni ndidi nwie so na mama she will not allow you dey the banana no ho edidi ewi anko ahoro ho nsan wi ansa na aka de kwa akache dabi ya se no the banana doso da manda yen fa anko ifa akache bi o fie ehun dey the banana doso na tibi me because edin no ho ade tinda bia ntumi yede use ntini na akira masafa yitumi celebrate one akwana wo for that which mudu kunujuma ana me de bia we crown them there we are but on a normal side in terms of chiribi ho ana na other than some here alba chiribi ho ga chiribi muso ni ho a mo friend me obeying but dem friend mama agenda Sunday no so or Sunday ka say mo so me picking out the possibility subdiscipline obake baby ne bushafo when you be in aba period japazo or limited.
Thank you.
No so time waste. No time waste. Or limited because be in the task masabe ne yira ka baby ebusha ho ka chere ye to abu ne prepare do how dare you kwa kisana ku ka chere no mfi danim but the at the moment ala bona beyin be ka baby e ka she be se bia no asen yes na oba wutu and I so boa msafo bi no so ka chere na no eye paper na mizunuka yes sir my agenda no so ka chere Mr. and Mrs. Omar na ma wo fosu ju suma so Mrs. Omara na ahwe bi en ho Mrs. nti bia kita Mrs. nti bia nizina ewa nti izini na ozo bai analogy fi ni bushan fi bai no na ma agenda wo chere say electro no won krata ya and for Omar bin Abdullah me your from Madam she carry her father's name nti me ya to Omar bin Abdullah and Mariam Adam. So if the paper is there and is really good, na sabi ma ko second wife ba na ma wo fofora into my paper no begin. The second wife no listen ongudu kacha ma mesi no ma mesi su wazo no. Nti indirectly go kacha ro paper our second wife wa do uziri njudo. Ewa. But all the same no free was me bonpo. What I have said Tyson and Hinazim. Ane the Michigan, me and Yiska the family besia, don't find come and back. What do I be or you besia? And to whether what we are doing is good, the DBA iska, Dama besia, or Frank and back, Dama besia, Frank and back. Up and the actually wasn't graphic. And
you know, we didn't be brain, we didn't be bum. One son so called Koreana, baby sim and son, I know.
Now, when I keep this annoying. Until I come
some question
hello.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Afe yemfa de ubon krata yensa ka wo fiase no yemfa nto aso na yemfa embesummo over the weekends ensem bebre na esiye na enra nso so ensem bebre na esiye na yemse na Monday no yento aso na yemfa daily graphic emfa indikan legal education procurement reforms begin enra President John Dramani Mahama assign bill bi asese no ababaye law e Ghana say especially bano a law for addition wa Ghana say among person moye lawyers no once first no call 4 years tertiary sa na efe akwakocho entrance exam na call makola na akwakosia de wansa na what show final exams na ababaye lawyer you call it to bar we are you free to the bar we are ababaye lawyer ne ade but intina makola school of law and nkwa na ye the law school e Ghana has say nti ubi afesa ye lawyer na wanko makola no wonye lawyer ye nju ntum se wo lawyer na se no emra foforo President John Dramani Mahama e dia piedwa no e beboa ama enya makola nko a na be ye law school e Ghana has say nemom institution bia na e what the necessary facilities na pese a law students e Ghana has say no o ko na akwaje accreditation o kwaje tumi krata e chese o betimi a che lawyer for ade a e be ma otumi amo a che lawyer for ade ze say no enkwankoye makola school of law nkwa UCC e betimi ayi wo ho UDS e betimi ayi wo ho baby say CCTU krana e betimi ayi law course wo ho say no about be law students it is sanity and procurement and also public procurement in the public sector na de ni na no ye the reforms in share in society for aba ho ebeboa ama sa hye ni na akoso As Global Fund wins Ghana to fully finance vaccines, critical medicines, Finance Minister and our show say no first no na Ghana enya grants and support free adwaman so and I say am for so ewo Ghana has say can eba no ye medical sector ni ma say no support no omo mfa mbabiem enti no Ghana ankasa yankasa ye di ne megu akweme beboa ama yankasa ya support vaccines ahodo a ebehia wo mamu ha say cholera vaccine, mofra vaccine bia ye hia no first nanka amafoforo so ene de ebedom ye ba say na omomfa mbabiem no yankasa ye de nemu egu akweme bebo ama yankasa yanya bi ewo Ghana ha senti yankasa benye sika na ye de akwakoto say produce so yankasa be produce bi o ha say Heath Goldfields clears workers arrears at Bogoso Prestia mines. Heath Goldfields and ometua omo adwumayefo omo wo Bogoso Prestia mining company hono ho na system no kase ometua kana omo do omo ni nyina nti omo ndi kabiem omo ndi omo adwumayefo kabiem and pay daily graphic ne dia odiabeni
for to government don't spare illegal miners. To enforce it to him Casepa no Samama ban unjay illegal miners no tumna uninim demara or tumno or tumna so another tumne for yambra butoba ma oye dam fumi guza wutumutu other help in yet to Mazabra or Ghana manano or tumna boa. Ni nkwaso hene achensem de wahye de odo tum focus more on youth employment nti no so hene foforo wotum wachiro no no the dimensemi otumaka out there but proof bribery allegations IGP no tum no ka nkan exams more practice I say wotum abanum make it to evidence here until should prove it na fi ontum no hunde wo bomodo twan yenda de kaka ngoten wotum de yejuma odo wotum na wozi dasizi ankasa no mu yezin otum na oziba nti ya mamadu yan shane so da yenda kaka no tra na ke wotum na woja oye the chronicle no mu nkrata sama otum no other be efiba
mama for the catalyst enfantwa so or say my brother you lied, apologize and let's move on. Sami Jemfi to upon Nkrumah over Bank of Ghana lost claims. Na Bank of Ghana internal audit no more report on the beto abonteno and upon Nkrumah kwa say no krebi enshada nkoye e was our report nim na say bibi wo ho a enkoye o manfa ma metuja enti no ebe yanka omonhwe ho no monye ne ye eno na Sami Jemfi ba be kan che ne say asema a wo ka no krebi anim Emma making false allegations, any false claims. I want some who need no crabia. I want sa assembly to know. My brother, what you antro? But another patch na young koyenim. I want Ghana has it. And only some equal between Sami Jemfi and upon Nkrumah. Mahama Cares represents hope for families. Admin and Okan was Ajwa Obobi. And or kase Mahama Case and also say Ghana Medical Trust Fund no ebeboa na e de hope for cry e de abre Ghana for nkankan ebusuafo a omani atoto omunsema omunya sika emfa nhwe omu ebusuafo omu yare and also omu hia medical attention no admin oye admin ema Medical Trust Fund no echimuze sa fund we no ebeboa na the hopes shonko abresa abusuani nyina. DVLA clarifies legal path for vehicle ownership transfers when sellers cannot be traced. And also so in sama ekoso ewo DVLA akache ebano vehicle ownership mo only vehicles any vehicle selling na. And also so more the clarification be about betuja e was aspect nimu na onya the catalyst and opay wonsa kabia wonsa beka ne mo eka ho asem e wo hono daily break no so krata no the ABDULLAH MPP unveil alternative policy blueprint for Ghana nti MPP for honas motumo kan abra oya Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia nefe tumna order value for money office takes off in January. Finance Minister Ato another the minister tumna
oda atugwa nti ya mama zinafi yentum na enkota krata na we da menso no hia tum Tepa police hate kotoka over midnight timber raid nti no so nso tum ababa timber funa ho so no yim timber sama wotum woka the man so no kuka confidence of victory opinion of no kuka and so antimantoma also kono bia do no chairmanship oye untumi I feel like we be na oroko oya national chairman no so regional chairman no kuka osiro owojeji kasepa da bo mazo na fi wotum na wajin kunyim na we lead oya MPP Ashanti region AFIBA.
Yemfa the Dispatch newspaper and so Enfantwaso I say police uncover 1,400 rounds of AK-47 ammunition hidden in a hen coop. Na IGP yohonu one na pamfo omo silent killer adwuma na omo ye wagana hase no e say omo ya ama ammunitions and as say akode aye AK-47 ibi ne dodo eye mako 1,400 ana omo akwaje afri nipa bonifo bi nsema cha say no mo de asie mpo wonkuko buom. Can you imagine? Omode akode na sie enkoko bom na police na nimpanyfo akwache wo mo age akode na fi wo nsem. A psychologist on 6 easy ways to remember things. Psychologist be na wache mu say ekwan sia bi wo ha so wo fa so abetumi aboama onya retentive memory wo be kai nema intentem eno so ensema wa kriche egu the Dispatch news paper no emu. I support paternity DNA test. NDC's Ms. Difa Tiga and I watch him say DNA paternity DNA test now babaye law wagana has say we your ba na oni be mate na odi obi ba ekokoshe no sene dia na so oye DNA test na so nyo no a criminal offense emra no ene ubedi na say no babaye enyanye me babaye mra sanka akola bia ye wo na yenye ni DNA test na yehu say we no eja menu ene akua mansaba na nko eba ne say di obi ba akomo obi asweche nkola bi hospital ana asompo say obi di obi ba akwa she be mafoforo ne so ya bye bye nsensem bebre da bi nti no NDC's Miss Difa Tiga na wo chem say o support sa idea no or support sa idea no panti ebe yanka no so beboa. The 35 years love story of the head of Ghana Prison Service and her husband the Chief Justice and also a love one sentence between Ghana Prison Service and director and also your boss and the Chief Justice and we ansema the Dispatch and so ediaba
so ba kuno nukuno
ba kuno nukuno
na bia ka chapo sa sa Chene no oil prison. Serve the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
Big post.
Yeah.
No kuno
Chief Justice.
Chief Justice.
Yeah. We are winning together.
No kuno win na da man na twenty.
Sir.
Ghana Times na edo cha sound za o man payin dem afibezin kankan no. Odo sa sha oya krata sa okububo ho ombre shebego fie. Na isa aja atum da onyambra ama ofbro to be nkankan mbrenyim asoya wo swaze e bia to mokoyem no amba nda mokola bubu mokola fi no si mokola lo ho ma wo fa mokola akan da ho anu nyim nti ama ho ankote wan che fans de amba ho da na no mbrenyim ku ne ya da otum no okawo. Intelligence lead policing key to security. IGP na other means so etum no other atugwa I say etatin kun na yenhwehwem anum yedzen titias nyere dem kekekeke nemo obwa mo police djuma otum no okoyem papa Ghana Publishing Campaign posts the company posts 16.96 million profit nti yesho Ghana wotum no wada nsamezi the profit etum na abanu wotum no da atugwa madom biara hunu se etum na akabi ankasa 28 trafficked Ghanaians rescued in Cote d'Ivoire. And that's also in the Nigeria. Cotton Maframa with the Honofa with the Honofa, and then in to major. But still now, the ebom payefo about the bambafo that we to my mazem 28 into walk out on hono ngaka sha ayen kutu dwuma no wonsa etum na account if you buy name
Yemfa the business analyst and so on so 28 Ghana rescues 28 trafficking victims from Cote d'Ivoire and some now ma okay no and also never ha Mahama assent to value for money office bill na ne say value for money office bill no be set a different kind of office office of the vice president, office of the finance minister, office of the chief of staff, a separate officer. Sa office no more or more juma mbedia ni say Ghana you say or ya award contract be ema obi a. Sa office no and a be share contract ni nyina so nti e be share wa contract no dey e be value for money. Na che say o contract no say dey sika shema ye benya emfaso bebre ama Ghana. So sa contract no and ye dey sa contract no be office na new enye bibi e wo hodada afei na aban we ye de nsa hye nkrata asese ye ntesa office na ye mfa hye say dwumadie no e wo Ghana ha say nti enkoye ne say woni obi wa aban mu nti no aka present contract a o company no work e wo ho ye 1 workers 2 na ba beje contract twitwi die na efei we tre zan ye hu e bi scan be fa na scan ya banase nti afi de ye nye saa de ni biem kra na nkofo nso a mo inflate contract once a contract no say cement na 10 bags no be use na say 10 bags ni 100 cedis cross 10 bags ni 200 cedis there be ye nye saa de no Ghana ha say nti eno ne bibia omba be sha say ebebo ama contract na so akoyi ye Ghana ha say Mahama in Nairobi for Africa Forward Summit. President Mahama akwa piemu wo Nairobi summit bi a friend say Africa Forward na all kobi. Mahama Cares invest 36 million Ghana cedis in specialist training, healthcare training. Mahama Cares and also say Ghana Medical Trust Fund and paying for I invested 36 million, 36 million Ghana cedis. Bebo ama ye training specialists, surgeons, anesthesiasts, ne omo maka ho omo ka ho pediatricians. Ni nyina afo ni bi. Bebo ama ye training sa akrofo ni nyina so ne be ya healthcare no ebe kwa ni mo Ghana say Bank of Ghana to pause policy rate easing cycle according to Fitch. Te enunso ne nsema the business analyst or the ababetuja anope
ya ko ne mja ikijira wo daily post krata no anana no so odin sampi nya etumna aba mo oro kwenyim ankasa the first one if you back to market the new officer abano boy no or the aba abotugwa nti if you back bodeda yensa nko the masam amampan John Dramani Mahama or the nsa sha krata si moye emra amama oyo schools nka kwan mo wotumna fi watete oye embrenyim fono no so the nsa sha krata so that yeko oyo mokola another Ghana oye embrenyim aso wotum suade no infi edusia oye 66 years na dem ko fun wa gaga ya nkwa za na nkwa da man pay here 66 years or dos is too much
nipa be 5000 bet na say actual social mu wi ana emu 1000 and I pass it. Nipa 4000 na efieli wa se bucho school fees bi kwa we san ba betia minisani na work
nti abampensi school biara on paid obi yambre ne bi etumna da adahwe nti ehwepam UCC mrama hokwan nka ya wotum waka mrama hokwan CCTV so we yambre no be ya no so mrama hokwan nti mra ho ne zan da wonzama osafata ochre de oda abo modern fitum tu de mana mo no otum no ye dwumeda mama hokwan kura the matter Ghana Medical Trust Fund to roll out nationwide patient support program in June yo ayuko yati nti June eze May yala nunu June oraba nti buru out za nano yara twa ho papa da mo waka no efiben kwene
yemfa the daily searchlights and so emfa so na Raymond Archer contradict Sremsai on Yoko's denial of legal counsel to former Bufferstock CEO, says he was busy with other interrogations. Na Raymond Archer na wo chem say last week ye de betu just say stream sai former Buffer Stock CEO yekofo ekoman so no o chem say o ma no kwan amana friend lawyer and I say wanya legal assistant eno na remonda chem say enya no kre say bi o mo sheda no mo si ni kwan say mo man legal assistant na mum no odo ankasa as boss na wa ye busy ana o ye interrogations wo baby ntina wa ye busy nya say na omo si ni kwan na mum e busy na wa ye enye bibia sa Landmark Mahama Science Legal Education Reform Act set to broaden access to Ghana's legal profession. Ghana School of Law and Samna Yekano. Law school exams abolished and the new law that Fiamepo and Ekasa say School of Law entrance exams no under the new law no omeyisa entrance exams no if Minority Caucus engages cocoa farmers in Central Region over producer price concerns. Yo minority and sese amnoka se omo mfimfin mantam ha se ya omo ne cocoa farmers no edi nkita ho se ne be ya new price na ekokoso no na ha cocoa for no cocoa farmers na dwen no eja minim se omo ba tumo so omo be yeden but they are engaging them no omo makoma so atu omo yem. UPSA hosts 9th Gusa Games to harness sports potentials and talent. UPSA and are hosting the 9th Guta Games at Bebuama, Omania, ball before any other talents. So, I'm going to see a kind of Gusa Games. No, the Source newspaper. Bank of Ghana loses. Kojo upon Ukuma dares Sami Jenfi come to Parliament and stop heading. Yo, I had the minister of FIDA petition speaker on Spices Right Bill. Into your strong now, Obama, if you want to know, won't call him. CDD Imani condemn comment MPP for policy committee. Hey, I'm going to coffee. I'm coffee man for the CDD free. I am Rabasana, Rabasana, yo, insist I had the watch the MPP, the policy, or your committee, no, what to know, no, so about to know about RNAQ cases. Hey, Miss Quay petition CJ over conduct of judge. Hey, I prepare as I was holding him. Listen to one and Richard Niamakwe. Only the cases no munyan. Into the main seminar so or oya crat and Jacoto oya crat and the Source newspaper. Unsa Butumaka into sister. Efa Daily Guide. Enfantwa so. Now, I say Buffer Stock case. Deputy Attorney General Iyoko Boss sing different tunes. Asemna medetu manyuna Raymond Acha. Ne insamna okay Deputy Attorney General. Oka say now are you busy? Oh, ye other interrogations and intia. Ne say be omo sheda na omo man legal assistant. 3 killed in Konongo crash. Nipa miensa na asho omonkwa. And accident be a SCA Konongo. Gifty Owari goes to Supreme Court over witness list order. Gifty Owari and then some nakwa kopie Supreme Court National Services and some ghost names in the no. Say akwa kopie mu to Supreme Court. Juju gun protection fails man. Na me say Oma over the weekend and I me share sa video of papa ya. Na eyi say energy display of gun here to na nku come from amuna dey na minim asem e bae say na mistake o say dey na CEO wa hyehyɛ etu awbani ade awie na ode ano na che ono no so na oye in train kestre say oye ba ku bia na eja asai na mu a oye ba ku na asai na mu a obi nim ne bae energy po
obana no
oh shoot na ya say
ai wa say ade
want to soon Gone too soon, cry. So I say, we are casa. Muziade.
Abaka, you call or luncheon or Cape Coast future official.
Yes.
akoji mi kimle chwale o hona chi kasara makasa wa makrim mo hwehwe njenjen boys film hu amazon episode wo mo henu akofi aduma na men hu ni ya afehye isa
yes
nto ama lokọ afehye tutu ochira I don't feel happy ndimara afehye na perform eje ko na eje ko
David
yes ada aworo onkunyi mpasumpo okan wo bepira wo onye dama afehye binumu de metu duri ya wototo na papa wototo dem na ahuna war zone another country awokunkoko obrapa because I quite remember the penny bia no police here no here kwa so ba kan stuff da ho awoko peacekeeping na bra wo ble asa na oba na ba kan story hina na enkopa na boy na so da metani da me wie police ntimu
oh baba na hwe nka baba na hwe nka wanya lucky ganu baby ekọ boy ni to baby etu ni boy na
asa na
hope bi anim to say the wa hwe nka atona nanom kra Ghana Publishing records 16.9 million Ghana cedis profit in 2025 after 2025 mono Ghana Publishing omo recorded sikachichi de 16.9 million Ghana cedis as emphaswa omunyan ewo afi ni nyina emu mayenzo
the achievers no secretary Zabatu Gwa secretary embassy in US rally to boost capital market investment nti emona yoko shonko da waba nefi obabwa manzeme bia tumna de abaga na ebutum ne akohine enyim wo ehine gwozi na hinsem biara etumna afa ne tempe from America search for nationwide roll out to the year kan ya kadada June nti ebada ho ase papa the Master Police Inspector Blast leaves phone behind after Momo rob nti no so krata no na onsa butum na aka Wisdom appointed co-chair of MPP Environmental Committee. Hey, we are going to Wabona about this other conservation to Abuhana do you into Edasi. Papa, the Wutumuko City FM, Himianum, some trophy City FM for Channel 1 TV, reward mothers in special promo. Then Costa TV also reward mothers on special gifts. Nti nina ka homa dey to me celebrating fe ama wo fu we wo da so nishem nti MCA we are yehwa mothers a wo da so wo bo friend what do you call it sweet mother ma me so dem sweet mother no when so ta so adana ma me bi ohini bi kase bi ye interview no say we should celebrate that woman papa because no human on ya do
David
ya say Mother's Day happy birthday nihna this year nti yenko na nkrata ne bo ma ehwe ne hu ehwe yenko
yanko the Insight newspaper yanko the Insight paper Rose Minister once contracted Rose Minister and or the warning kese pa ma contracted contractors Kwame Govins Agboja ana waje mu se mo moye lakadesical contractors na moye lakadesical mo chichechu mo na ase na mo mpesa mo be wie ntentem se ne be ya ye be wie kwan na amanfo afaso na mo pese asa mo pe extension te na ye extend ya near the time ni bi aka mo ho na resources ni bi nso e flow ni ade no afi ye nko ne sa we no go is like that cry ye nko ne sa nti sa road contractors na moye sa ade no mu nyina you are warned muntu mo ho fo Ghana Medical Trust Fund set to roll out nationwide patient support program in June. Ghana Medical Trust Fund and mobile besha say the whole Ghana no mobile besha omo support na say support no modema patients no mu here critical care no besha say nyam ya adoma June April May June ye o May bia ye ko June next month besha say Women's Development Bank will transform women from vulnerability to viability. Gender Minister Eka say Women Development Bank no ade bi ebeboa ema omo ayo mo ho kwa hihia mu nyina na omaye mobo no omo ho ebe ha omo nti no mfaso ebeba omo dwumadi omo di ni na so se ne be ya omani nyina so ebe benefit. Trump imposes new sanctions against Cuba and threatens war. US president ono de war na who won we hu hwe na the insight actually mu an say no the sanctions for cry de akwakoto Cuba eso na wasan so attracting wo say ansha na ntokwa bi asi. Pregnancy and possibilities, why midwives are in the story, honoring care, compassion, and possibility in a Mother's Day celebration, especially for midwives near there. Mali condemns guilty signs of Western state sponsors in terror attacks. Mali, or my Mali, nature me say over last week in a terrorist attack be ESSIEN. Now, almost say Western countries be any African country like Western country, make sure other continental countries be just say omo pese anka omo decision omo impose omo decision o man na o Mali omo na share sa terrorist attack na chi a say omo share esumase di dwa say ensem fata omo pese omo tu Mali aban no egu eno ne ensem a the insight anopay or de aba one tos
African Today, Katano, Sabede Guamama, abandoned MPP University project in Ikroya. Into Damina and 17 Kotokratan and 7 KBR on Sabutmaka. Prestia residents praises health goldfish over arrears payments into Prestia for so na wabo oil goldfish one bad papa one arrears be way to Mutria. Into chief war position into Captain Mankata to join campaign of Gamanche. Into the main submission automatic code into Koto or ya Kata Nibia unsabutumina wa can be also etumna akwenyim. Honorable Dafiamapo, the longest name at Parliament. I mean the minimum. Honorable Dafiamapo keep his word. His word. Donate 40 tricycles to enhance logistics work of NDC South Dahe. Nti Dafiamapo nizina employment. Dafiamapo honorable nizina nti damina saminate. I am not the social media platform type of MP. Sister year chief of staff and man another honor yan yati damina MP no so tum norka nti ya mamazin on social media MP nemum no onyim bebia otum no owo court fine 5 J's 1 yo adoka ya hwanu wim nti kotokrata na nsamodo nefi etum na akenkan efibenko
Yanko the National Enquirer no say Mahama breaks 66-year legal education monopoly science reform bill and we Ghana School of Law and Science and Subium. Cocoa Board unveils new cocoa funding model and OMAR new cocoa funding just a kwanfo fra mbefa so a mbenye sika e de atokoko Ghana has say no OMAR hontuma. Ghana now Africa's 8th largest economy as GDP tops $114 billion. Now as I say no Ghana ya rank no say ono no ye Africa nyina no ye economy no na ne kase a ye rank economy a esoso a Ghana top 8 number 8 na ye GDP and I say your gross domestic product no ye $114 billion okani na Bank of Ghana agenda na Bank of Ghana so and AD animo say Africa has a ban digitalization na so the bear yes so you go bigger Bank of Ghana AD mu akotene pa Mahama Cares invest 36 million Ghana cedis in specialist training and medical that Julius Debra Anes Aguna Nyako Deba
tea ya still now tea. Abla sisi ya wo ye tea onjoncho. Umo oko oye tea post. Nti akwata krata na wonsa botumna academy nsabni na wo mene fetum na aboa. Treat before returned. Nti no so nsam no so ho ECOWAS over AES. Nti kwata krata no na ho angsa wo yim nsam ho na efi otum na wa aboa member be mi ha tuma kwale fi benkwe ni.
Newspaper we dey me hu da say can news today. Na no so report say on the fatal accident na esi wo Konongo na nipa and 9B ahwe wo monkwa no. And NPP have serious communications problems according to General Secretary. And also in Sambia can. This is the first time I mean who newspaper. Can news today at the Abba. Now Omar, yamfa no NCSA yamfa newspaper NCSA na any ebedin komo.
Ko.
Enkomo ho. Ebedin komo parents no. Yedi Mother's Day in this ane de. Unim say ade ba ko a yen mothers no. On say Mr. One wish me happy Mother's Day. Where are we?
As okay, sister.
One wish me happy Mother's Day.
As here now.
No problem.
As a man,
Mother's Day with you and Hebiano.
I will say to my first one, I can man task I can friend.
Henceforth, we shall saw.
Henceforth, we must care for you, man. I am man.
Yet, no problem.
It too much to brother and Catty.
Obana,
and their Ghana, brother and Catty, and Catty, brother and Catty, two and their Ghana. Never foolish Abaja.
Yebeshe. It's no problem. Na any Mother's Day we na
you in charge of Mother's Day.
Of course, you know
yeah, happy Mother's Day.
May until say May ebeko na wie no. You know Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, sister.
Anya fe na baba man kan. Man kan Mother's Day. No problem. Yan kwaje aboa for nkrato e besa ba. Na toko ye beto aso behind the scenes. Yan kwaje aboa for nkrato e besa ba.
Oni afon.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane ama fango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je dwumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa fango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Coastal TV, Jumedi Fufraya by Ubuntu. It's about development. They discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. Ubuntu Sama offer capos, baby will be Ubuntu Sama offer. Or your one and answered there or said there, or the Ubuntu, or the baby on the Yedin in Fubana over Transi. We are no what the man. Or your one and answered the Dodin Puntu Baba capos. One and answered the Dodin Puntu Baba Central region. One and answered the Dodin Puntu on Baba Gani Minara. Ubuntu Sama offer capos, baby will be Ubuntu Sama offer. Or your one and answered there or said there, or the Puntu, or the baby in the P. And a batinasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara, yesi macharo. Mewe. Fiti tanya fanguji, yesi mi atu mi yendu baby.
Morris baby face.
My wadi ni mi ancestor, mi ninja ni mi ancestor. My wadi ni mi ancestor, show me why and am rainbow. Hey, my wadi ni mi ancestor, mi ninja ni mi ancestor. Hey, my wadi ni mi ancestor, show me why and am rainbow. Try me crying, Papa was up, no try me sad. I can't be in your son in India. Oh, Miss, I was up for Rodney. Now, would him up. Yansan in India, every was up for radio. Where money, mommy, Masuna Mateoni, Pama Wadi ni mi ancestor, mi nimdia ni mi ancestor, mi unudia ya kitwabi. Try me crying, na. My Wadi ni mi ancestor, mi nimdia ni mi ancestor, kitwabi. My Wadi ni mi ancestor, try me crying. Na. My wadi ni mi ancestor, mi nimdia ni mi ancestor. My wadi ni mi ancestor, show me wine, every my baby and my sway. Now who can say nothing with me? We can see every menu. Now who jam up my Matumi diatna sasisu afodi for yasimu Atrimodi for sassis. Try me by a rainbow. Now me by but to me a true wedding. Try me by a rainbow. Now me casa papa to me. I tried it for those. Touch a man at the father's. Hey, my one didn't be answer. So try me by. Na 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 na. My body in the ancestor. So we need the ancestor. My body in the ancestor. Share me quiet and rain. Na 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 na. My body in the ancestor. I get to the ancestor. I get to my body in the ancestor. Share me quiet and rain. My body in the ancestor. I get to my body in the ancestor. Show me quiet and embrace. Yes, mommy Solomon, mommy Enoch, mommy Daniel, show me quiet and embrace. Jesus, mommy Queen Esther, Mami Nyansa Kumo Nama Tumia
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you. We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsun asobone ewo wapomoden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Turn my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum, Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise is centered centered on your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you. Papa, your loving kindness and grace and mercies brought me through. So the essence of my faith is all centered on your grace. Of my praises centered on your grace. You have been my doctor on that sick bed. By your stripes I am healed, I am free. So the essence of my faith is because of your grace.